Hello, and welcome to Healthy Life with Kimmi. Hey guys, I'm out here walking in this heat. It is hot. Let me see what the temperature is. Jeff, what's the temperature? It's like 95 here in Georgia. Wherever you are, it probably is hot too. But I still got to work on my health. So I'm out here in the heat. I'm walking where I normally do not like to walk. I'm about to talk about that with Jeffrey there. So I had a few tips for you when you are at, during this summertime trying to get your walk on, because it's 95 or 100, and our weight loss journey, our goals do not care what the temperature is, right? You still got to try to keep losing weight, stay healthy, etc., etc. So let's get right into it. Now, the most logical thing is to try to walk when it's cool, okay? Early in the morning. I'm not an early riser. Jeffrey went early, so he out here getting 2 walks in. Kudos to him. But if you're like me and you like to stay in the bed a little bit longer, I usually like to go in the evening, but I know it's just gonna be too hot and I got other obligations tonight, so I cannot. So I wanted to give you some tips when it's hot though, so I can't even think straight. And so the first thing is try to walk where there's some trees. Don't go by yourself if you're scary. But see, it's pretty shady. This is a good shady. So you see it's shady, even though it's 100. It probably feel like 115. You might be in a place where it is. So if you got trees though, that's the first tip. Try to walk in a shaded area, okay? Secondly, stay hydrated. Have you some water before you go. Take your water bottle with you. And wear a hat. Now, I'm telling you about the hat. I don't particularly like to wear hats. I don't. I think they make me hotter. Some people won't be caught without a hat, but I don't particularly like them. Hello. So, like the people that's walking right there, they got on a hat. See, they got on a hat. But I don't like hats. So, don't forget. So, maybe wear a hat. That might help with some of the heat. Also, don't forget your sunscreen. Now, once again, I'm not a big sunscreen person. And sometimes people say, we don't need sunscreen because you're black. Not true. You still probably need it because we burn like everybody else. Maybe not as quick, but your skin can still burn if you have a darker hue. Okay? So, I don't like most sunscreens. I haven't found one I like yet because they always burn. Whatever chemical in there always seems to burn my face. So that's the other tip though, sunscreen. Carry a towel. Jeffrey has a towel because as you can see, I'm really sweating out here. So right now I'm using my hand because I like to walk kind of footloose and fancy free. I usually don't sweat too much, but because it's almost 100, your girl is sweating. So I mentioned sunscreen. Oh, another thing, because most of you watching may be women, and a lot of men suffer with flashes too. So, but let's talk about hot flashes. So while you out here walking, do not overheat. Do not, I heard something in the bushes. I got scared. Y'all know I'm scary. Do not overheat yourselves while you are out here, because your body naturally is going to get warmer sometime as women, or you start flashing. Men too, like I just said. So make sure you stay hydrated. If you feel overly heated, stop, sit down for a minute. The trail gonna still be here. So the trail gonna still be there. Take your time. You may not be able to walk as long as you normally walk. So far I am at, I think, 15 minutes. My goal today was 20 because it is so hot. So, and wear as less clothes as you can. And one more little tip about getting burned. The other day when I was out here, I had on like a spaghetti strap thing. And the sun, I had on 2 shirts. I had on a spaghetti strap thing, and I had on another little shirt over that. And it made marks on my body. I hate suntans. I don't mind getting suntan on my face, but I hate multiple shades on my body. That's just how I am. So I want to encourage you to continue walking, but do it safely, even in the heat. Because we are under a heat flash, y'all, and heat wave. And I can't get up out the bed. So you see people over there. I don't know if you can see them or not, but it's a family over there. Got the dogs at the park, dog park. So when I finish up here, I'll probably end up with like 20-25 minutes. And that's good for me. I just want to do something. You're going to see another video coming out soon where I started going to the gym too because it was so hot. And then I really don't like going to the gym, but it's mixed because I did the elliptical, which I had one at home, and I did the treadmill, right? I got a treadmill at home too, but I have a Treadly, and it's a smaller treadmill, and ever since I had to oil it, it just doesn't seem like it's been spinning right to me. Anyway, so I told Jeff, I said, well, let's see, can we walk in the shaded area? Because it's not full-blown sun today. He like, what am I doing? He don't like when I'm out here doing videos and trying to walk. I can walk and talk at the same time. He want me to walk like him. I'm 5'3", y'all. 5'3", overweight. Jeffrey is 6 feet. 5'12", 6 feet, whatever. So he's way taller. His legs go twice as long as mine. So me and him always fighting. That's why I usually let him go by himself. But since I wanted to walk in a shaded area with the trees today, I decided to, walk with him. Because he already did his walk. So I kind of thought he was going to do my pace. And I know he been trying to help me. But your help is stressing me out. Do y'all got family members like that? Do you have family members? Do you have family members like that? They call themselves trying to help you on your weight loss journey, but they stress you out. You know what you can eat and what you can't eat. And they may be like, girl, you're not supposed to have that. Or you could push a little harder. Like he trying to make me walk faster. I ain't trying to have no heat stroke out here. I'm walking at my pace. Do your weight loss journey at your pace. It's not going to please everybody. And it don't matter because it ain't their body. Okay? Truth be told, it don't even matter because it's not theirs. It's your body. So, people even having picnics out here. I'm going to show y'all in a minute. They laying on the blanket. I think that's so romantic. I see a lot of people out here doing that. I'm going to show you in a minute. And again, they laying under a tree. They got their blanket. I'll show you in a minute. No, I'm going back to the car. Soon as I hit that corner up there. Y'all, he is pressuring the stew out of me. You better back up. I'm trying to tell you. I know what I want to do. And he's supposed to be out here supporting me. So if you support me, do what I want to do. Same thing for the person in your life. If they want to support you, you tell them how to support you. They don't get to tell you what to do. If you're at a restaurant, girl, you're doing Weight Watchers. You're doing keto. No, I'm going to turn right here, Jeff. I'm turning around right here. He the one going to fall out, y'all. I keep a brother's insurance paid up. Why he trying to do the most? Of course, I don't want nothing to happen to my husband. But he be kind of stressing me out. He mad now. Not mad, but he just like, he think y'all slowing me down talking to y'all. I'm not. I can still only do the same amount of steps. Because I'm not getting ready to run. I'm not getting ready to jog. I'm walking. And I'm sweating. I said like a pig earlier. He said, Kim, pigs don't sweat. Let me show y'all the couple out here. Hold on. Where they at? Well, let me go this way. I'm going to show y'all the couple. Hold on. I'm going to show y'all the couple. Hold on 1 second. And then I didn't even want him to leave because he's supposed to be out here walking with me. It's not a lot of people out here right now. Let me show y'all a couple over there. Can y'all see them under the tree? They can't see y'all, so we don't invade no privacy or nothing. But they just chilled out. They just chill. And I don't like walking out here when it's not a lot of people. Y'all know that. I don't mind like around 3, 4 o'clock, because the people be out here with their kids at the picnic area and the playground. But right now, there's not a lot of people. And I ain't bring my selfie stick. And I just saw this big man. He ain't say nothing to me. But Jeff gonna walk off. That was not the point of him coming out here with me today. He's supposed to be walking with me. But because I saw that couple over there, I would scream my heart out if that man even think about it. Plus, I'm gonna scratch him like crazy. Okay? Y'all probably ain't seen my video I put out yet, because I'm gonna put this out one before, but I did another walking in the park. And I got my new handy dandy tool. It's an air horn. So somebody will hear it. At least it'll scare them off or something. But I got that after talking to somebody recently. They was like, you should get this air horn. And we just did a squirt. That thing is loud. We ain't push it all the way. But it'll frighten whoever coming after you. And it also will frighten the person. I mean, dogs and stuff too. I heard dogs don't like that. So I wouldn't use it on a pet unless I have to. Or a human either, really. I mean, I ain't looking for nothing. I'm too old to be looking for some trouble. You know? I didn't look for trouble when I was younger. But look, ain't no... Oh, there's somebody at the park, y'all. It is a family over there. Y'all probably didn't see them. That makes me always feel better. Now, they are leaving. But I'm about to go too, so it's cool. Anyway, so these are some tips for staying. Try to stay cooler while you're walking at the park. All right, y'all, I'm out. This is Healthy Life with Kimmi. We talk all things, not just weight, life, and being healthy. All right, see you later. Bye.